In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple signatures to documents in Docusign 5 minutes. First, sign into your Docusign account. Once you're in, you'll land on the Send or Home area. From here, you can begin a new envelope two ways. Click Start to build one from scratch, or head into Templates if you already have a reusable setup you like. Templates are great when you frequently send the same form because they already include roles and signature placements. If you choose a template, just select it and continue. If you don't have one, no problem. Click Upload to bring in your file from your computer or a connected drive. After the document finishes uploading, you'll be taken to the preparation screen. Now add the people who need to sign. Enter the name and email for each recipient who must complete the document. Docusign supports up to 99 recipients in a single envelope, which covers most multi-signer scenarios. If you're adding several people at once, look for the Add Multiple Recipients option in the Add Recipients section. This lets you quickly add a list without typing each one individually. If signing must happen in a specific order, like a manager first, then a client, set the routing order numbers accordingly so signatures collect in sequence. Next, add a message, customize the email subject and note to explain what the document is, why it matters, and any deadline or context the signers should know. Clear instructions here reduce back and forth and help recipients act quickly. If you're using a template, signature and date fields are usually placed for you. If you uploaded a fresh document, Docusign may detect fields automatically. You can review what's been added to ensure each signer has a spot to sign. When it's your turn to sign inside the envelope, click Sign to apply your signature, follow the prompts, and when you're done, click Finish to complete your part of the signing ceremony. This is especially common if you're both the sender and one of the signers. Finally, confirm your email details and click Send. Docusign will deliver the envelope to your recipients based on the order you've set. You'll receive notifications as people complete their signatures, and you can track progress from your Manage tab at any time. That's it. Multiple signatures in Docusign, set up cleanly, and sent in minutes.